we a new boy now ba. When this one is to stay.
No, when your first game draw
against
House of Oak. Samatas and Soko
draw against Vision Obia and Shebi. Oh, and so we a new boy we say oh now unya House of Oak as first game. Now we can pick 1 pointer rich. By the time we ever league, not 1 point against us, you know. Every the difference between any new boys or mobile or best or stay. Some new man getting a man league near them. And interesting, who Bruce or no start in them. No one near Coco.
And also, I discuss a Koto game, no casting be. And Nipani Munidi or frame after show. Or no Koto team in a 2-point call Brukum. And was an hour casse, only Brukum ho, and I know we need some more team. But if you say some what do catch them the boys and say, look, Koto Africa. Yeah. You're aggressive. Of course. Because on you are because of Africa normal community. And I say, okay, and he was like, Ayala no some about team because clearly
you could see that
Obiano Golden City Park or share game ni Biano. Some about say, because go players in could have or catch and you're getting caught so what you know.
Who's a catcher say? So what kind of way I'm a cancer? I'm a catcher say. Hamza any Boduba.
Sure.
And may assure say that will be the communication Hamza will give to Kotoko. Say me nina yejuma. And you just coach but minimum the character, minimum how we approach these games, minimum normal or taking note of anyhow or planning the games. And by this time, I mean Kotoko dressing room, minimum say go do catch and run and say and go for the Africa, especially in the first half. You're more aggressive. I'm going to show you now. You're go with them. Now you're coming game down. And it's all right. I suspect that Kotoko also gave the same instructions. And look, match we. Yeah, but and Africa don't move. You're not aggressive. Say the money are not aggressive. No. Say game we will use our bench and depth in our squad. Now you think I say better game.
Adia Bakwa AC Abra Kotoko Kudru Brekum. Say Kotoko about 5 players or so would have been in Brekum before. Of course. Omudru on Chelsea for started some firm. Chelsea for the media men near there from so about list. So there be any money come. None of them.
Players now come aboard.
Yeah. So Zakaria, especially Ubejewu.
For Ubejewu, the picture be now.
See, he was walking around
the cover and after the game, right?
I've not seen that one, but before the game, who's about to expect a picture near the other? From so no.
Professional.
In fact, they were telling the Kotoko players, baby is a utia and baby is a utia, and had the bonnet. Basing and men cohansa, young bobo, you focus. They give them all of that homework to go and do their job. In 5 minutes, almost 5 in the Kotoko team from Brekum. It's minimum inside and out. They had prepared for the game.
Including Ansumuina. Yeah, Ansumuina. Including Ansumuina. We players are
Samba at some point in time, right?
Samba.
One of those Kotoko players, some other players, meaning Samba, but about 5 of them.
Yeah.
Now from Brekum. It's good someone prepare.
You also
you was like Ayala didn't can will be din command and I'm saying no.
That is how we
it's not now say only some of body but if you say only your catcher the voice.
My observation of the game I watched.
Say look me aggressive.
Yes.
Because of Kobo Africa.
Yes.
In the end, you want to trauma and a
but Richard say in some way, it also means that almost any points from match day 1. No, Rich, they don't have to go second game without a point. So, for instance, Hearts against Dreams, they must get something out of it. And yes, I ever started the pressure about it. Again, now a lot of recruitment. Omukolusu against Karela. Now coming back to the Najman Bedu Park, any the kind of expectations at Doma or mine and women again this season, Rich, in your next game, they must win. Club is a Bechim lost painfully to Baby and Go Stars. Rich, Omobo back to Bechim, they are expected to win. And your class view, Rich, after losing on first game, Any of them draw no. Almost second game they just can't afford. For instance, Obi says we do all blacks. Last hour and I manala no. A share go man nations. And the defeat you 2-1. Rich as new boys. Over soccer league you can't go away to Abragasi and lose and come home to Sweden and lose. Oh yes, I don't start further canning them. So the corner was Abakochi and the supporters will be there as well in their next home game, expecting them say, look, you see a colleague in Mudia. I was say start here fat home 3 points. No,
so
and
week 2 no. Friday night football, Ibenya Mediama host vision. And here 5 p.m. Otakwa. Saturday, Hoho United and the Young Apostles. So I game no a game of equals. Hoho in Ebuhum. 11 wonders Bebo Heart of Lions. Now on Sunday, Nyanya Samates Obo Karela, Bechembebo Baseke, Swedo All Blacks and some Obodu's Chelsea.
And the coach no doing Eko Summer Boy.
Yep. Then Adriana Bebo Nations. What a match. Doma. Dreams said Ayala Edika can House of Folk.
Yes.
And Subabo our ni a J Kraku. Now there's an awkward the Indian because of African
Dreams no House of Folk match, no, don't miss it. Probably the nicest football we'll watch over the weekend. 2 coaches or set of technical teams are almost per ball in the local league are going to play. My whole videos are circulating, and those that know Fiifi Park can say Fiifi Park and San Wene of a Dom obviously as head coach of the team. And of course, Osha has to folk against Hoho. They wanted to take their time and play. It's means so much, you know. Obi abe person obebo. Who is a Dreams born or Okoboye, but we're not the necessary point.
Yeah.
So this time they want to marry born here bono with getting the necessary points.
Yeah.
Plus Didi the money you say like saying like ano. And your book came say Kim.
Pressure best.
Patomo begin to ask questions.
Yeah, pressure best.
Say Eduardo Timinya Fatu, Utiminya Clement will begin to ask questions.
Even Kotokofonuka will start to call us for say probably they were preseason champions. Preseason now here on boy start here. You about 2 games when you win be a Nti ebede.
Sure.
But Samate's Karela to
interesting.
To be nice. Samate's winning their first game against Ediana.
So Nuruddin so coach Samate's
Karela exactly.
One of the G League.
I know do G League. And what's the first match against Ediana ewo Tamale. And all against Christopher Enina. Okonya draw. Kreku Park against Vision. Match in the papa.
Rich, Michelle, 1 second. Me who boy be wo breaku match. Call back some option match. If any Badori, number 6, DM. Me person me how many? Me person the mummy no to boss na mo share boy ni mami.
Yeah.
Number 6 oh. You see in that game na me share Jewu mu ne Kotoko players no. But the boy caught my eye. You near ding. Proper 6 pa. I think he's a very good player. We should keep an eye on him.
At the point, let me say, commentators, no, Nana, no, in the commentator for that game, no, no, more Max Steve, no. Dakwa. I can say, there's this Che guy, no, but become Chelsea for 2. Na bona all born, and my become Chelsea for and Miss Lord Amoa. And I make us say, oh, Che, I'm a boy. Che. Rich Bear last year, no about Division 2B. Community Gala, and a coach boy who know the choir. And last season, the Cheye were leaguing him, and they were all developing. They are not about center back with a one. Also, a community Gala boy of Kumasi. And he was so solid until prior. Substitution, even Costa Bobo say, change the yes.
When young game is
you see, the Biameka say. And this is my last. The Biameka say, Rich, say, oh, you be able to Kumasi ball, but cheaper. There are 2 coaches at home for Munyagro, Paco Sifabian, and Asamoah Boadu. Anytime when you opportunity to go to any team, Rich, so I'm going to say team. Now, you a follower of Kumasi, typical Kumasi community boy. Oh, sure, with teams now, it's like Wako Park be now we have community because you see a lot of familiar faces. Now, he to know when your players be or more the platform. I hope so one day.
Okay.
Kumasi will have a special celebration for those coaches and what they do for Kumasi grounds game and kasa no. Rich Ayala Mihra no many Japan what they do for.
I tell you, Nyame aduma the rapaholic concert in a basso. I was say room.